Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the iOS 18.6 and iPadOS 18.6, marking the sixth major update to iOS 18 and iPadOS 18 operating systems. The update arrives more than 2 months after iOS 18.5 and iPadOS 18.5. Eligible iPhone and iPad users can install the new version over the air by heading to the Settings app, General, and Software Update section on their compatible devices. One of the key fixes in iOS 18.6 addresses a bug in the Photos app that could prevent users from sharing memory movies. According to Apple, the update includes important bug fixes and security enhancements, with the Photos issue specifically called out in the release notes. In addition, iOS 18.6 and iPadOS 18.6 introduce changes to the App Store rules within the European Union. It's worth pointing out that users in the EU will now see a redesigned interface that supports the installation of alternative app marketplaces or apps directly from a developer's website, part of Apple's compliance with regional regulations. With the development cycle of iOS 18 nearing its end, Apple is already shifting focus to the next major release. iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 are currently in beta and expected to launch in September alongside the new iPhone lineup. So if you're running iOS 18, this is a recommended update. Not only does it fix a frustrating Photos bug, but it also strengthens the overall security of your device, making it well worth installing.